This YouTube channel uploaded only 32 movie explanation videos and got 314k subscribers. This last video got 844k views, and the older videos have millions of views. The channel is fully monetized and earns a lot of money. This channel was created in March, and in just a few months it gained millions of subscribers and views. Per month, they earn 5.4k to 86k. So the real question is, how did they gain millions of subscribers and make thousands of dollars? It's because this channel creates movie explanation videos like this.
कहानी की शुरुआत में हम मॉरिस नाम के एक शातिर चोर को देखते हैं, जिसे बैंक से चोरी के केस में पुलिस ने पकड़कर उम्र भर की कैद के लिए दुनिया की सबसे सिक्योर जेल अल्काट्राज में कैद करने के लिए ले जा रहे होते हैं.
Similarly, these channels also upload movie explanation videos and gain millions of subscribers. And all of them are fully monetized. So, in today's video, I will show you the complete step-by-step process of how you can also start an AI-based movie explanation channel. Watch the video till the end because I will share 3 mistakes that many people make. These mistakes can give your channel a reuse content problem, a guideline strike, or even get your channel removed. So let's get started. To start this movie explanation channel, first create a new Gmail, and using that Gmail, create a new YouTube channel. Give your channel a good name and prepare a logo and banner for it. You can also take help from GPT for all of this, and for logo and banner design use Canva. Just go to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest some unique names for a YouTube movie explanation channel. As you can see, ChatGPT has given me some unique names. You can use any of them. If you have any idea, then share it with ChatGPT. It will help you to choose the best one. Many of us try to copy the name of a famous YouTube channel, but that's not a good idea. If you really want to build your own channel, you should avoid copying names from others. Once you have chosen a name, go to Canva to design your logo and banner. You will find the link in the description box. Check it out. When you open Canva, click the plus icon. In the search box, type the kind of logo or banner you want to create. You will see many templates. Choose one that matches your channel. If you are using the free version, pick a free template. If you are using the pro version, you can choose any template you like. Adjust the text and elements the way you like, then download the image. You can watch YouTube videos to learn how to design a logo in Canva. It's easy and simple. Now let's create a YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and click sign in the top right corner using your new Gmail account. Then go to YouTube Studio. You will see the dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the customization option. Now upload your banner image and then upload your YouTube logo image. Click the upload button and select your banner image from your files. After adding the image, you can see how it will look on your channel. Click Done, then go to the logo option and upload your logo image. Now add your channel name. Below that, add your channel description. If you don't know what to write, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a description and tags. ChatGPT can give you a detailed video description that you can use. If you want, you can also write your own description. This is the best way to introduce your channel. Now add the description in the description box. After adding the description, click Done and go to Settings. Here, you will see the currency option. It is set to USD by default, so leave it as it is. Next, go to Channel and Basic Info and select your country. I am choosing the USA, but you can choose your own country. Below that, add channel relevant keywords. We already generated keywords using ChatGPT, so add one keyword at a time. After adding each keyword, click Done. Then go to the Advanced Settings option. Here, select Content, Not for Kids. After that, go to the Features Eligibility section. Add your phone number and verify your identity. Once that is completed, go to the Upload Defaults option and select Unlisted for your videos. Now, in the Advanced Settings option, select Film and Animation as your channel category. After doing all of these steps, make sure to save everything. And just like that, your YouTube channel is fully created and ready to use. Now you will need a movie. Because of YouTube guidelines, I cannot show how to download it directly. But you can find the movie download link in the description box. To find a good movie for your emotional movie explanation videos, open your Chrome browser and type IMDb in the search bar. Open the first website that appears. Click on the all icon and choose Advanced Search. Select Movie in the Title Type section. Set the release date from 2000 to 2005. Set the IMDb rating from 5 to 10. Choose Adventure and Family in the Genres section, or you can pick any genres you like. Then click the See Results button. Here you will find the best movie suggestions with their review ratings. This will help you pick the perfect movie. When the movie is selected and downloaded, watch the movie and make notes about all the emotional and interesting parts. Write a full script that includes the characters, their names, and every important scene. Now we will create an AI voice for the movie explanation. You can use Speechma or 11 Labs. 11 Labs has limited credits, so we will use Speechma. It is totally free, and you can create unlimited voices with many voice options. Now go to Speechma. You will find the link in the description box. In the text box, add the voice text you want. Below that, you will see a CAPTCHA code. This is only for website security, so don't worry. You will need to type the code you see on the screen into the empty box. After entering your text, click the refresh button and it will give you a new code. Then you will see many AI voice options.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speech.
Welcome to
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice. Expressive, versatile, and capable of bringing any language.
Choose a voice that matches your video. You can also customize the tone and voice speed the way you like. When everything is set, click Generate, and your voice will be ready.
At the beginning of the story, we see a cunning thief named Morris. The police have caught him in a bank robbery case and are taking him to the world's most secure prison, Alcatraz, to lock him up for life. Alcatraz is a prison built on a...
Now we will use CapCut to edit the video. You can use other editing software if you like. Import the audio and video, then adjust them together.
At the beginning...
Now align all clips according to your voiceover. If the clip is longer than the voiceover, increase the clip speed to match it. For special effects, select the click freeze, add a keyframe zoom slightly to create an animation. After aligning everything, go to text and write the movie title. In style, add a background, stretch it across the entire timeline, and adjust the size. Add background music and lower its volume. For the thumbnail, take a screenshot of the most exciting and eye-catching part of the video that will attract viewers. Export the video in high quality. But wait, while making this video's 3 rules you must follow. Always explain old foreign movies. New movies can give copyright strikes. Never explain movies that are already explained on YouTube. You may get reuse content problems. Edit properly and never use the movie's audio. Add a disclaimer and full movie details in the description. Now make videos every day and upload them. Your videos will also go viral.